Chin believes in children. Chin engages children with media literacy, and here we have a brand of Dabur Hornitus who has associated with us to take us one step further. Number one, reaching 1 million children.
First of all, I would like to congratulate Chin as well as Dabur for coming out wonderfully well with this kind of innovative project, which I am sure is going to be liked by the schools as well as the children. Children are always looking forward to movies. It's something which fascinates them. So they are really going to come out with their creativity and innovativeness.
And as I told you that this time Chin Early Education Web Channel is associated with Dabur Hornitus, and this is one brand which, just like Chin, believes in children. We believe in training and engaging you with media tools, and this brand Dabur Hornitus is standing by what you create, and this is the first ever exercise that any brand is standing by the children production. That means the final winners would be getting a chance and would be trained to create advertisement film for Dabur Hornitus.
I'm just giving you a dream today that this is going to be first time in the history that the children will make an ad for a product. Everything is by the children, for the children. And who are the judges here? Only children.
I also would want that more and more people should come into this as partners, in the sense like more brands should come, because these kind of projects are very expensive projects. So parents are not aware about it. Financially, schools also cannot support it. So if Dabur has shaken hands with Chin, I am expecting more such brands will come forward and help in this noble cause, which is going to really do well. This 4 birds and 1 million stories is a wonderful idea. And I congratulate once again Dabur and Chin India for this project, because it is meeting the requirement of any school as far as the CC is concerned, because CC wants creativity. So you are touching the creative skills of the children, and children definitely will enjoy doing it and will come out in a more creative and innovative manner.
Very happy to note that there are almost 1 million children who are going to participate in this.